Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's another hot one today, and 70-mile-an-hour winds. As you all can tell, I am back on the 450. The Ducati's in the garage. Great news on that. I did crack the front fender, so that is great. The Harley is sitting there. Don't know what to do with it. Yeah, so we're on the 450 today. Well, this is I don't know if you guys can hear me. This is my disclaimer that all stunts performed in this video were on a closed course in Mexico. Closed course in Mexico. Did you hear that, YouTube? Closed course in Mexico. I just got back. It was a great trip. It was a quick trip, but it was a great trip. Yeah, I know people are going to be coming up with nicknames for me now. Wheelie Master. Or he's really good. Or the Wheelie King. Or the Wheelie Ninja. That's probably what they're gonna call me. Or Wheelie Slayer. Still got her. I still got her. Gotta work on the foot brake, you know. And a little more flat ground. Whoa. Fucking wind, dude. If I had like a stunt sprocket on this hog, it'd be a little easier. Gotta try and get her up to balance point, you know? Skinny tires, fuckers all over the place. Got her. Oh, I still got her, boys. That was right at balance point. So you guys probably are like, Action, you're too scared to ride a motorcycle. You don't do wheelies. You have a Ducati, you don't do wheelies. Well, there's a reason for that. Like I do not wheelie the Ducati because it's just way too expensive. Like fork seals, like all of that stuff is way too much money, and yeah, I just prefer not to do that with the Ducati. That bike is not a stunt bike. I used to, like, if you guys go back in my videos, I used to stunt ride years and years ago. I'm talking like 2011, like 9 years ago. I got rid of my stunt bikes because I didn't want to get in any more trouble. I did get tickets and stuff like that, so I really wanted to avoid all that. That's why I just got that's why I bought the Ducati. It keeps me like one wheel, like the wheels on the ground, you know. Let's see if I can hang another good one here. I need to get a different clutch lever because I always like to use just one finger. So oh, it likes to come up quick. still got balance point. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you're new here. And until next time, you guys, peace.